In this video, we'll look into future IT trends. Artificial intelligence is a future IT trend. It is described as thinking and acting rationally. It is the ability to take actions that maximize the chance of success. Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence where computers learn from data without explicitly being programmed. Machine learning algorithms called models are built and tested to make predictions. Deep learning. Deep learning is part of machine learning based on artificial neural networks. It is a set of algorithms which use multiple layers to get higher level features from the input. Natural language processing. Part of artificial intelligence which deals with human language and computer interaction. It deals with the programming of computers to deal with the language data. Spell checking and speech recognition are examples. Robotics is part of artificial intelligence that deals with design, manufacture, and use of robots. Robots are programmable machines that perform tasks automatically. The next future IT trend is big data. It is the data that is large and complex. It is the data that cannot be processed and analyzed by traditional tools. Some of the sources of big data are emails, WhatsApp messages, YouTube data, Instagram data, etc. Some of the challenges are storage, processing, analysis, integration, etc. Types of big data. Unstructured data, which lacks format and it can be heterogeneous. Examples are images, videos, web pages, etc. Semi-structured data. Semi-structured data has got some sort of structure but cannot be defined in relational DBMS. Examples are emails, XML data, etc. Structured data. Structured data is data that is in fixed format and can be easily accessed. Examples are databases, spreadsheets, etc. Characteristics of big data. Volume. It is huge data which is in terabytes or petabytes or more and cannot be processed by traditional tools. Velocity. It is the speed of generation of data. Variety is the unstructured, semi-structured or structured data. Veracity. It refers to the trustworthiness or quality of data. High veracity data is valuable to analyze, for example, data from medical research. Value. It is the usefulness of the information from the data. Big data can be processed and analyzed if the information is useful. Benefits of big data. In the healthcare, it helps in providing personalized medicines to the patients and in medical research. In the marketing, in finding the target market. In the retail, in processing huge number of transactions. In sports training. In government sector with respect to governmental processes. In international development. Next IT trend is cloud computing. Cloud computing makes available computer system resources on demand, available over the internet on pay-as-you-go basis. The user can just use the utilities without managing them. The services are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Cloud can be public, private, or hybrid. Next future IT trend is Internet of Things. Internet of Things is called IoT is the concept of connecting devices and exchange of data between them over any communication network, including internet. The devices have sensors which help in the communication. The following is an example of some of the devices connected. So they are connected over internet or any other network. Like household items like air conditioning, TV, fan, bulb, laptops, mobile phones. So any of the devices can have sensors and can be interconnected and can be exchanged over the internet or any network, any of the data that is required by other systems. Application of IoT over various areas. In building a smart home by home automation, for example, automatically switching off of lights and remotely controlling household devices. Monitoring health remotely. Blood pressure monitors, heart rate monitors, and smartwatches that tracks health. Control of traffic smartly. Helps in logistics by better communication between origin and destination and between vehicles. Automating agriculture by improving quality and reducing waste. Application or more areas. Helps in developing smart infrastructure like bridges, railways, etc. Helps in building smart cities, transport, parking, lighting, security, etc. Helps in monitoring environment like atmospheric conditions, earthquakes, tsunami, etc. Helps in defense. Helps in marketing and packaging. QR code helps in getting details of the product. Next IT trend in future is blockchain. A blockchain is a shared and decentralized database with digital ledger having records called blocks. All the computers have a copy of the database. A block cannot be altered with past date without changing all subsequent blocks. The header of the blocks is visible to everyone while private data of block accessed by the owner. The chain of all such blocks is called blockchain. Example is digital currency, prominently cryptocurrency.